In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook sign in error log on incoming POP IMAP. If Outlook keeps prompting for your login or shows an error on the incoming server, it usually comes down to a few common culprits: credentials, provider settings, server details, or a minor Outlook glitch. We'll walk through quick checks in the right order so you can get back to your inbox. First, double-check your email address and password. Make sure the address in Outlook exactly matches the one you use in your webmail. Even a small typo or an extra space can cause failures. Re-enter your password carefully, confirm caps lock is off, and watch out for trailing spaces if you are copying and pasting. If you recently changed your password on the provider's site, update it in Outlook's account settings so they match. Next, make sure POP or IMAP is enabled with your email provider. Open a browser, sign into your mailbox, and go to Settings. In Gmail, that's Settings, see All Settings, then Forwarding and POP IMAP. Turn on IMAP and enable POP only if you actually use POP. Save your changes, then give it a couple of minutes before trying Outlook again, so the provider can apply the new settings. Now verify your server settings inside Outlook. Go to File, Account Settings. Account Settings. Select your account and choose Repair. Under Advanced Options, turn on Let me repair my account manually. Confirm the incoming server and port are correct for your account type. For example, IMAP servers often look like IMAP. Gmail.com on port 993 with SSL or TLS enabled. For outgoing mail, use the SMTP server, such as SMTP. Gmail.com typically with port 465 and TLS. Also, make sure the box that says My Outgoing Server's MTP requires authentication is checked. Most providers need that to send email. If the problem persists, run a quick repair for Office. Close Outlook completely. Open Control Panel, go to Programs. Find Microsoft Office. Choose Change and select Quick Repair. This fixes common files without touching your data. When it finishes, restart your computer and open Outlook again to test. If none of that works, remove the problematic account and add it again. Use manual setup for POP or IMAP, then enter the correct server details and your credentials carefully. A clean re-AD often clears leftover configuration conflicts. That's it. Thanks for watching.